Paying a lot of money for engineers to come in and survey it, for them to give us where our flood level was there, and then we go and we build the house, and let's say we don't have a transit there to shoot everything, and that house shows up 4 inches below where it's supposed to be. That's in the flood zone. And that will still make me have to pay flood insurance, which is $4,000 a year for flood insurance on the house. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And that house will never flood. I mean, and I needed, you know, they made me do a LOMA to do finance on a house, which I didn't have done when I did the financing, so they still made me put flood insurance on it, even though I had raised it, until I got the LOMA in their hand. Then they would remove it. It's a letter of map amendment. So that's just what they do with a LOMA. Once you build a foundation like that and you bring an engineer and they survey it, and now they see that the house is not in the floodplain, they will go into the city records, the state records, and they will remove that particular home out of the floodplain. So you don't have to deal with it every time you go get a loan on the house. You go get a loan on the house, they don't have to get any more information from you because it's registered with the state that was raised up above that floodplain. That's a LOMA, if you don't know what it is. And an engineer can provide that for you if you raise a house and get out of the flood zone and you're having to constantly deal with somebody, maybe it's an insurance company or whatever, maybe it's a bank doing finance, and say, no, we can't accept it as out of flood zone because we don't have a LOMA. Go get it done. Takes time to do it, but get it done, and then you never have to worry about it again.